Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for an LLC that made no money. Start by confirming your LLC tax classification and whether you file as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. Gather evidence of zero income and track deductible expenses like startup costs and fees. Prepare required schedules and state returns, and e-file where possible to get confirmations quickly and avoid late penalties. In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for an LLC that made no money. Know which forms apply. Schedule C for single-member LLCs, Form 1065 for partnerships, or Form 1120/1120S for corporations. Even with no revenue, you still report expenses and ownership allocations. Attach supporting statements and keep copies for 5 to 7 years. In this video, I will explain how to file taxes for an LLC that made no money. Focus on documenting deductible expenses like home office, software, and professional fees, and avoid inventing deductions. Keep clear bank statements, receipts, and a simple profit and loss report showing zero revenue. Proper records make it easy to file accurately, support deductions if reviewed, and demonstrate the business is active despite no income.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.